This hair is like everything. Ooh, kill 'em. My name is Winnie Jean. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. Y'all know I love Nadula. The wigs are super affordable, really good quality. The hair is good quality, and it's just really accessible. I like that a lot about this brand. So today, let's open her up, honey. This is what she's giving today. We have a short bye-bye knots wig with a nice size closure. She's gorgeous. Pre-cut, pre-bleached. It looks good. I could have went in and bleached it a little bit more because I'm a little bit lighter, but I'm gonna go in with some makeup and fix that because I kind of want to install her straight out of the box. Literally just unpacked her and she's so cute. It's like a YAKI kinky straight texture, but it's not super coarse. So it's definitely giving more of like a YAKI texture, which I love. You still got a couple of like the little waves in the root, but not much at all. And I just feel like she's gonna be so cute on. I want to do a deep side part, and this closure is just big enough for us to be able to do that. This wig will also be really, really good if you want to sew it on. If you haven't seen my tutorial yet where I show you guys how you can sew on your closure wigs, it's chef's kiss. Check her out. But yeah, because it's not all those like, you know, it's not very bulky around the edges, you can definitely sew her on, but this little grip strip, you don't really need to. She has combs, very much so given comfortable. I'm excited to pop her on. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a bald cap method for this wig. I definitely want this to be super beginner friendly. Too, honestly, these bye-bye knots wigs, they don't have to be difficult. That's the whole point of it coming like ready to go. So I'm just going to put a little bit of edge control on my edges and just brush everything back before we pop on our wig cap. So I just kind of like pop the wig cap on, and I'm gonna tuck my little braids under in the back. So I'm just sliding my wig cap back a bit. I need to get my bronzer so I can put a little bit of bronzer on it because she's a little light. I'm gonna do my side part over here. I'm dog sitting, so it's a lot going on over here, but let's stay focused. So I popped a little bit of bronzer on, and nothing too crazy, just enough to where like it doesn't look so stark when I pop the wig on. Now let's see what she giving. Hold on, my head big, girl. We found out it don't fit. Okay, so this is the wig straight out of the box and like popped on. It came in like a middle part, but I definitely want to go for a deep side part vibe, so I'm gonna go ahead and play with the part a little bit until I get it to my liking. I really want that like curved part vibe because I'm going for the big baby hair, baby. It's happening.
What you want? I don't know. My new bitch look like Tyler Berry. She don't love me,
switching that part made a huge difference because I'm already liking the wig more. Like, it's gonna give me exactly the look I'm going for. It's a little shorter than my natural hair, so it's not quite giving what my natural hair gives, but I'm not mad at that. So I kind of combed the baby hairs forward, not combed them, hot combed them forward as a part of that like side swoop look, but of course this is gonna be cut in a second, so bear with me. In order to install the wig, I'm gonna go in with my black even spray.
What you want? I don't know. You play that? Crib on the beach like Odell. No, my mom, my killers don't tell. Chateau, my mom got the new.
Okay, y'all, I might still have it. I might still know what I'm doing a little bit. Hold on, let's not count your girl out yet. Okay, I need to do this baby hair because I can't focus until like the style is starting to come together.
What you want? I don't know. You play that? Crib on the beach like Odell. No, my mom, my killers don't tell. Chateau, my mom got the New York the shelf. Now my bitch a Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. You know me me time.
Yes, I know what I want.
Get some me time. I don't know.
You know what you want.
I was a little rough with the lace when I was laying down the baby hair. So I just went in with a little bit more of the even spray to make sure that everything is still laying pretty nicely. In the meantime, between time, let's freshen up this cut a little bit. When I'm cutting hair on myself, it's easiest for me to kind of split the hair in half in the back, bring everything forward, and then clean the cut up. So I don't necessarily want it to be like a graduated bob, so I'm gonna trim everything in the front a little bit to make it even with the back. Just gonna give her a little comb straight down so I can see where everything is laying, and then try to give her a little trim, just a little bit. I'm not cutting off much at all. The wig honestly comes pre-cut pretty cute, but you see how that just kind of cleaned it up a little bit. It's not as wispy as this side. I like that a little bit. See, yeah, it looks so cute. Super cute. You see, and I just added some nice little layers to the swoop, and everything is starting to look a little bit more like cleaned up, which I love. Okay, so that's it. I just trimmed a tiny little bit, added a couple layers up top. That's it for the cut. I'm not gonna take the layers all the way around because I kind of like this like blunt cut with the layers only in this area look. Alright, so stiff wear is giving V cute. Yeah. Now the swoop is swooping. Yes. Okay. Let's plug in our little 1-inch flat irons. These are the Babyliss Pro Titanium, I believe. I always link them down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and pick them up. Since the hair has a little texture on it, I'm going to take it in sections. So I'm just parting out the nape of the neck, and I'm going to clip the rest of the hair up. And we're going to just work our way up the head, adding a little bump to the end and just cleaning up the curl a little bit. I kind of like the flip situation. Do I want to keep that going? Maybe we should. Let's lean into the flip that we have going on here. Might have did something, y'all. And I'm actually really excited because I've never worn my hair flipped like this before. So if this becomes a thing, I love that. I want lots of volume, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this top section on a Velcro roller. You know what, while I'm here, I might as well do this little section too. I did the very top going straight back, and then I'm gonna do this side going like slanted back. Alright, so while it's doing what that needs to do, I'm going to take a small angled brush and a little bit of concealer, and we're just going to clean this little part up. Okay, so I got into character, or whatever. I feel like this is very much so giving like mob wife, so we had to keep the look seamless. Ooh, that gave us the volume I was looking for. Ooh, okay. I gotta just play with it a little bit until I get it exactly how I want it, but yes, absolutely yes. Alright, so this is the finished look. We went for like a mob wife kind of vintagey look with a cute little swoop. Swoop is giving very much volume. How do you like it? How do you like it? Yeah, that's how I feel in this hair. Okay, I am definitely living my like vintagey fantasy in this hair. Yeah, I feel like a whole meal, not a snack right now. I actually want to find somewhere to go, except the fact that it's 3 a.m. and I'm gonna wash my face and get in the bed, to be perfectly honest. But yeah, I'm feeling the fantasy. I'm feeling my oats. What do you guys think? Ooh, kill 'em. Nobody was hurt. Do y'all watch with Trixie and Katya? That is my shit. Okay, but yeah, I feel very mysterious with the like early 2000s one eye cover. My hair is clearly full of secrets. This hair is like everything. I can't stop talking. Okay, I've said bye 55 times. I love you guys so much. Thank you to Nadula for working with me. All the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, as well as any coupon codes that I have in my possession. Because I want you to save coins. That's what I want for you. So if I got it, you got it. All right. Tag me on IG if you recreate this look, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.